choice but to trust this as we go into the void. We are standing, staring into empty space, asking all our questions, answers we can't trace. Is this all there is? Is this all there is? I feel the waves of the change reflect on everything we know. And can we stand out from the infinite? We are the ones who define what this life is. Under a diamond sky, everything starts to shine.